Hello viewers, welcome to Harika's home cooking. Today I am going to show you how to make mushroom curry. With you, let's go for the ingredients. This is mushroom. I took green chilies, curry leaves, half capsicum, and I chopped one onion into fine slice. So now I have taken a wok, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, then I'm adding a little bit of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Then wait until the mustard splutters. Once the mustard seed starts spluttering, I added the green chilies and curry leaves, and goes the onions. Fry everything together and give it a good mix, and after a while I added ginger garlic paste. Once you add the ginger garlic paste, mix it well and let the onions turn into translucent or you start looking red in color. Then I add a little bit of turmeric, give it a good mix, and a little bit of salt. Then my onions already started turning brown, so I added a little bit of chopped capsicum and the mushrooms and give it a good mix. Then I have taken 1 medium tomatoes pulp and just chop the tomatoes and blend it, and I'm adding a little bit of salt, a little bit of red chili powder, cumin powder, dhaniya powder, and then this goes paprika powder, and give it a good mix and cover the lid for 5 minutes and cook it in a medium to low flame, and in between give it a good mix again. After 5 minutes my curry is ready. Now in a different wok I have taken 2 tablespoons of butter and I added it into the wok. Once the butter starts melting, add the fine chopped garlic. I have taken 3 cloves of garlic and cleaned and chopped them into small pieces and I have added green chilies and curry leaves. Then I have added chopped cilantro. So after adding the garlic pieces, make sure you're frying for a minute or so to make sure the raw smell is gone. The mixture is done. It doesn't take much time to cook. Now I added it into the curry and give it a good mix. Then I added around half tablespoons of pepper, crushed pepper, and half lime, maybe around 2 to 3 tablespoons of lime. Then give it a good mix, and I off the stove already, as you have seen. So the mushroom curry is ready now. This is the final look. Perfect combo for roti, chapati and rice. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please do try this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.